Okay, so my main claim is that dogs are the best pet to own because they produce a positive and healthy mood. And there's 78.2 million dog owners in the U.S. 60% of them have at least one dog. 28% have 2 dogs, and 12% have 3 dogs or more. So having a dog isn't uncommon at all, and there's plenty of good reasons for it. So I think the main reason for having a dog is because people want company. Like my dog, for example, I would come home every day and she'd come running at me, wagging her tail with attacking her toy, wanting me to play with her, every day. And sometimes I play with her, sometimes I'm too lazy, and she'll just stare at me, I can play with you or not, man. So, and then she'll I don't play with her, she'll walk away all pissed. And she's old too, so it's weird how often she comes running at me, wanting to play. Okay, so dogs provoke a healthy and happy mood, not only mentally, but scientifically. And there was an experiment with, there's this thing called oxytocin, which is a hormone in our body that basically it's like the love feeling, they call it the love hormone sometimes. Basically it makes you happy, gives you optimism, and basically gives you the feeling of love. And there's a steroid in our body called cortisol, which is the ultimate stress hormone. And having more oxytocin decreases or neutralizes your cortisol levels. So there was an experiment with hamsters. They took 2 groups of hamsters. They injected one with oxytocin and the other ones with a placebo injection. And then they were wounded. I don't know if they hurt them, pushed them around a little bit, or if they were already wounded. But the ones with oxytocin hormones, they healed faster than the ones with the placebo. So that's just having that hormone in your body is a good thing. And there was another experiment. They wanted to experiment more with oxytocin. So these 2 scientists from Azuba University in Japan, named Miho Nagasawa and Takafumi Kikusu, they wanted to experiment if close contact between 2 specimens or species can generate any amount of oxytocin. So there were 55 participants that brought their dogs to the lab, and the scientists took urine samples before a 30-minute playing session with their dogs, and they were going to take one after to compare the oxytocin levels. So the one group that actually made eye contact with their dog for more than 2.5 minutes had a 20% increase, or 20% more increase, or oxytocin level than the people that didn't make eye contact with their dog. So I found that pretty interesting. And so having benefits of a dog. Overall, getting a dog has benefits of relieving stress, improving mood, controlling blood pressure, reducing loneliness, provoking exercise, and producing companionship. And these benefits aren't only mentally, but biologically. And that's why I think dogs are the best pet.